Hello everybody, this is Atham here. Oh, sorry, I just need to check if it was recording. And today we're gonna coming back at some Slime Rancher. And last time I left off, I was showing you this awesome epic gate that I hope to figure out how to get in there. Yeah. So let's move on. Oh gosh. Sorry about the sniffing. I hate it. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. Give me your stupid chicken. You can't run away from me, I'll kill you. I don't know what that was. Hey, look! Ooh, give me one of you. No. Stupid stony head. Let me get them puddle slimes and some water. I thought you would like get hurt in water. You're like lava. Stupid. Oh yeah, this is why. Well, I hear. No, okay, good. They exploded. Water is the Tara's weakness. The evil big blobs of poop I was talking about. Okay, so now, dang it, that's more complicated now. Yeah, I got some that whenever I see one of those, a basic one of those, which is green, then I can open them and then they have like treasure in them. I've already opened one, but run. Run. You guys are angry. Since when were you here? Okay. What are you doing back here? Okay. Ah! Okay, I need to empty. Oh my goodness. Woo. I like how my wilderness place provides its own chickens. So technically I'm getting free chickens by that. Now when do these start humping? They start humping each other. Oh yeah! Go ahead, boy. Oh, I'm so sorry. I should probably just leave you just privacy. What did I just do? I did something. I don't know how I did it. I don't. No. I'm serious though. I did something. I don't know. A refill. I think that's just. Yeah. Okay, these. If you guys are angry, you know there's like water all around you. You know that, right? Did I just like glitch you out? I'm not. What am I? How do I feed you? Idiots. I'm feeding you water. Fine, I'll empty it all out for you. How about that? Take water. Take it. Dude, flipping stupid idiots. Ungrateful brats. There's literally water all around you. Okay. Any upgrades? No. So how do I use this pulse wave? I think that's what I used, but I don't know how I did it. That's the thing. How did I do it? I pressed the random button and it worked. I'm gonna look that up on the internet. How do I do it? I'm pressing every button that's possible. P for pulse wave. Oh, whoops. B. You roosters are big. Dude, all them plorts. Yeah, don't eat each other. Oh, whoops, sorry. So, 55. I don't know what that is. That looks pretty much similar as that. I think that might be like ice. Oh yeah, and they also added a new plort. I think it's like a bee plort or something. I don't know. Cause there's a gadget that collects like that wax and like. Yeah, you guys are just stupid because I'm serious. I fed you a lot of water. Or maybe I don't know, there's some fresh. There's fresh water over here. There it is. That's fresh. Straight out of the poop ground that has probably a lot of pee and poop on it, but who cares about that? I mean oh no, it's a tar. Pew. Pew. Got him. No, pew. Pew. Stop making idiots. You're so stupid. Sometimes I just think they deserve to get eaten because they're so stupid. You're like, ooh, what's that? A black plort. Let's go eat it. Hopefully I don't get sick or get Ebola or anything. I mean, what can go bad, right? I don't know what that was all about. Oh, I just realized how low the water is. I'm gonna sleep first. It's 1 in the morning. That's awesome. That's me in real life. Chickens! You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna like leave a bunch of these in there so then they can just help themselves. Yeah, eat them all. Go on, hunt him. Perfect timing. Oh, there's my friend again. Advanced pump. That's nice. Oh yeah, well, so I think that's where I'm gonna end this episode of Who's Your Daddy? No, I'm just kidding. That's a sucky game. Of Slime Rancher. I'll be playing more of this. A lot more of this because it's still an early access game, and it's yeah. If you saw it up there, up at the top corner. You guys are probably thinking I could just cut it out, but I don't feel like it. I'm that lazy. Yeah, so this will be the end of this video, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.